Wait, what?
I lost my service.
No. So cute. Anyways, this is red lighting. Damn, we don't look so dark anymore.
Oh, I look
How does TJ Hunt hold his camera?
I don't know.
He does his little cute thing.
Doesn't he have a little tripod?
No, I seen him on a picture. Anyways, what's up, guys? We're back at the shop today. We're gonna fuck ourselves and finally cut our quarter panels. Oh yeah, it's going down. Sir Johnny himself is gonna be cutting up his quarters and the front, and I as well. Even though mines are on, you could see where we need to cut. So it's gonna be all this, all that good stuff's gonna be gone. Same for the rear. You can see where it grabs, but I want all this gone, all of that. So it'd be like right here somewhere that we'll be cutting.
We're winging it.
We're winging it. We don't really know what the fuck we're gonna be doing. But we're gonna be using two different methods. I will be using the reciprocating saw, and he will be using the, what is that, cutter wheel?
The cutoff wheel.
The cutoff wheel. Just because, you know, different ways.
Different strokes for different folks.
Different strokes for different folks. Yeah, so we're gonna start sending, and we'll keep you guys updated on the sendage. Charlotte, later. We're just winging it. I like your approach though. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's hella straight, dude. Oh, that's solid. That's fucking solid. All right. Ooh, fire.
Do I look like him yet?
Almost there, dude. Almost, almost. I think you got the mustache down.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the hair. It's the haircut.
Alright. Fucking.
Let's go.
So what, just right from the middle? Just,
Damn, you're like, you're A1, dude. Send it.
Dang, what are you doing?
You got my new Ray-Bans?
Oh, sick ass
What do
fool.
you think? New Ray-Ban?
That's fire, bro. Where'd you get that?
You can't get these. They're limited edition.
Oh.
So, alright. I'll be using a different tool now.
What is this?
This is a reciprocating saw,
Oh,
and it's like
sick.
a 3-inch blade or 2-inch blade. So you see how he has all the sparks and everything just smacking him in the face? I won't have that.
Yeah, it hurt.
But,
Honestly,
yeah.
it hurt.
But I'm gonna be doing the same thing. Let me get the tape just on top of my line here. Because we're new.
Yeah, because look at that beautiful line.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Look at that. Look at that. That's
beautiful line.
That's what the tape is for.
That's what the tape is for.
We'll do this.
Clearly, some of us have had experience with body work
No, that's a lie.
because this line is way better than the line I made.
I actually don't like it. Come on.
Oh, making adjustments on the go.
High. Solid. Right there. So, this right here, getting crossed out, it's gonna get cut out. A little excessive, but like me and Johnny said, we just don't want to have that be an issue at all.
We want wheel
We
fitment.
want wheel fit. We want to run 18 by 12 or 18 by 11 with the negative 50 or negative 45 offset, just because, why not?
People probably think we're crazy. We're making holes in our cars.
I know. And we're over here like, yeah, bro, let's cut more.
How come you let me suffer and let me use the cutoff wheel?
I asked you.
I asked
I
you.
said, do you want to try to do the cutoff?
No, I literally said, which one's better?
I said they're both the same. Is it getting cut? Is it working?
I had to.
Is this a lot better?
I was struggling with the sparks and
Is
you just
this a
fucking.
lot better?
Yes, it's a lot better. What the fuck?
Well, now you know. For those of you doing this thing, you saw this stuff he's suffering from and just sparks everywhere. No sparks, and it's quick.
It's also a cleaner line, honestly. What the fuck, man? Well. What do we have here? What happened, huh, Julio?
So, in my defense, I bought the wrong blades,
Right.
and they're not cutting.
So
because
you
I bought the wrong blades.
fucking me backfired.
I tried playing you and I played myself. Then I'm cutting again. Damn, bro, we're almost done.
We almost got one fender done on
Yeah.
Julio's car.
Okay.
And this one's cut too.
Real quick, we might have cut just a little too much right here. Tiny bit, little smudge. But nothing we can't fix. We're at a body shop, so
We're a body shop.
yeah. That looks great, bro. That looks.
Does it?
Can you see it? Wait, hold on,
It's
look
foggy.
at me.
It's really foggy.
No, yeah, that looks great. You want to explain the process you're doing here? Just so that,
So we cut these
see.
flaps,
right?
right? We sliced them up and we brought them down to bare metal. We
Right.
brought some of this to bare metal
Right?
just so we can weld it on. We're gonna fold
Right,
these
right.
up, weld them
Uh-huh.
on, and seal them so we don't get
Sick.
any water
Or,
intrusion.
right.
So it keeps its watertight
Nice.
integrity.
Nice.
You know, we got we got the fenders done. So we just gotta weld, cut the excess, weld, cut the excess. We got the
Front's cut.
front is cut and mounted on one side
Right.
per car.
Per car. So we got two fenders
We
out.
got two fenders knocked out.
2 quarter panels semi done. Yee.
And you know, we'll continue this
We're gonna continue. Tomorrow we're gonna weld.
tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna come back, cut
Oh,
weld,
sorry.
Cut weld and
That's it.
finish it up.
For today, that's it though. Yeah, we're done. Alright, cool. Bye. What is up, guys? Welcome back to day 2 of the quarter panel. What is this? Quarter panel.
Fender.
Quarter fender trimming for the Crown Carbon Crafting over fenders. Johnny's prepping quarter panel number 2.
We're just winging it.
We're just winging it, honestly.
Gotta get rid of all this Bondo.
Came out great. We didn't get to weld yesterday. My welder it doesn't have power in our 2 bays, so we have to move to the other 2 bays. But it got dark yesterday, it got late. I had to go home to the kids. And yeah, we just ended early. I think it was like 6.
Yeah.
And today we just got here. I think it's like 2 p.m. right now. I'm about to send it, start cutting, and get to welding after. So, yep, we'll update you when we're done. Later. Welcome back. So, we are currently in the welding process.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
And Sir Johnny has no idea what he's doing. But check out his welds. Check him out. Check that out.
Shit.
Check that out.
There's improvement right there, see?
Ooh, it's improving. So these are his recent ones. This right here, that was his first one. You know? Getting her done.
Get her done.
So he still has one side to go. I already did one side. You know, not too shabby. I just finished trimming the rest of the little metal thingies off my side. Just gotta finish, you know, putting it up. Then weld, and then we're gonna do some seam sealer. So hopefully we, you know, wow, no mask.
Don't put this in.
Wow.
Cut this out.
No mask. Wow. Oh, wow. Chewbacca. You can see the hair from here, bro. It looks like you're wearing knee socks. Yeet. Alright, boys and girls, it's officially 8 p.m. and we are officially Fuck, we're dirty, bro. Look at your face.
We're done with part 1 of the wide body.
Part 1? No, this is part 2.
We're done with part 2 of the wide body.
Right?
I don't know. I thought cutting and putting it on would all be.
Oh.
I don't know.
Anyways,
We're done with putting it on. Cutting and putting on.
cutting, welding, putting on. I seam sealed mine. He didn't seam seal his because he's a cool boy, you know. We got Oscar here. Damn, bro, you can't even see yourself. A little dirty. Huh? Pretty. But yeah, we're done here. And we were shooting flames a minute ago. You want to shoot some for the boys?
Okay.
We are officially done with the wide body. Next on the to-do list,
Prep for paint.
prep for paint. Let's go. That's on the next episode. Hopefully our boy Oscar is here to help us.
I will.
Cause sanding these are gonna be a bitch. Brother's still sleeping, little pussy ass. Yeah, look. Chibas! Fucking cockroach! So we'll see you guys next time.
On House of Sand.
Oof.